In today's video, I'll explain how to fix the black screen issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11 when starting your computer. This can happen on both laptops and PCs. When you start your computer, you might see a black screen with just a cursor, no desktop or login screen. There can be many reasons for this issue, like a faulty graphic driver or a recent update. Here is what we'll need to do. First, let's press the Windows key, Control key, Shift key, and B key all together at the same time. Now this will refreshes the graphic card and might fix the problem, and might bring back the normal screen. If this doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to restart the computer in advanced option. To do this, force shut down the laptop or PC 2 or 3 times. Press and hold the power button until the computer shuts down. Once it shuts down, restart it, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to shut it down. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until you see the screen that says preparing for automatic repair. Finally, you'll see a please wait screen. Wait until you get a blue screen with advanced options. From the list, let's click on troubleshoot, then advanced option, then the command prompt. The command prompt window will appear. Let's type sfc /scan now and hit enter. Now this will scan the system files for any integrity violation or infections. Once it completes, it will show if any corrupted files were found and successfully repaired. Next, let's click on troubleshoot again, then advanced option, and choose uninstall updates. You'll see 2 options: uninstall latest quality updates and uninstall latest feature update. The black screen problem can be due to either of these updates. First, let's try uninstalling the latest quality update by clicking on it. After the process completes, check if the problem has been fixed. If the latest quality update doesn't fix the issue, go back to the same page and this time uninstall the latest feature updates. Once the quality update is uninstalled, click on Done, then Continue. The system will restart and hopefully the issue has been resolved. Now check if the screen comes back and try logging into your account. If you still have the problem, repeat the steps to enter the advanced option by forcefully shutting down and restarting your computer 2 or 3 times just like before. Once you get into the advanced option screen, this time try to uninstall the latest security update and see if it fixed the problem. Hopefully this solution will work. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will try to help you. Until next time, bye for now.